Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear brothers and sisters, today's topic is extremely important for every Muslim. The signs of a hypocrite, as explained by our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in Hadith. Hypocrisy, or Nifaq, is one of the most dangerous diseases of the heart. On the outside, a person may look like a believer, but inside, his actions and intentions go against Islam. This is why the Quran has warned us severely about hypocrisy. Allah says in Surah An-Nisa verse 145, "Indeed the hypocrites will be in the lowest depths of the fire, and never will you find for them a helper." This shows how serious the matter of hypocrisy is. Let us now look at the clear signs given in Hadith. Main content. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said in a famous hadith reported in Sahih al-Bukhari and Sahih Muslim, "The signs of a hypocrite are three. When he speaks, he lies. When he makes a promise, he breaks it. And when he is entrusted with something, he betrays the trust." Let us understand these one by one. First sign, when he speaks, he lies. A hypocrite is not truthful in his speech. Even for small matters, he prefers lies over honesty. Islam teaches us that truthfulness leads to righteousness, and righteousness leads to Jannah. But lying leads to corruption, and ultimately to the hellfire. So if we find ourselves lying often, even in small jokes or business matters, we must correct ourselves quickly. Second sign, when he makes a promise, he breaks it. A believer is known for keeping his word. But a hypocrite gives promises just to please people in the moment, and then easily breaks them. Whether it's a business deal, a family responsibility, or a simple commitment, breaking promises without excuse is a dangerous habit. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam warned us because this weakens trust in society. There will be another sign when he is entrusted with something. He betrays the trust. Amana is a core value in Islam. It could be money, secrets, or responsibilities. A true believer protects what he is entrusted with. But a hypocrite cheats, misuses, or exposes trust for personal gain. Allah loves those who are trustworthy, and betraying trust is a sign of hypocrisy. He behaves in a very foul and abusive manner. This means a hypocrite loses control of his tongue and manners in arguments, showing arrogance and harshness instead of patience and good character. My dear brothers and sisters, these signs are not just for identifying others, but for looking deep into ourselves. Sometimes we may fall into one of these signs without realizing. The real danger is when these habits become our regular character. So if we ever catch ourselves lying, breaking promises, betraying trust, or using foul language, we should seek forgiveness from Allah immediately and work to change. Hypocrisy destroys faith, while honesty and sincerity build Iman. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave us these clear signs to protect ourselves from hypocrisy. Let us strive to be truthful in our speech, firm in our promises, trustworthy in our responsibilities, and gentle in our manners. May Allah purify our hearts from hypocrisy, make us sincere Muslims, and grant us a place in Jannah. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.